How to fix Facebook professional mode not working. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to fix your Facebook professional mode not working. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Facebook app. Just click this menu option on the bottom right corner, and then you have to go to the bottom, and here you have to click help and support. Once you click help and support, it's going to give you this option of report a problem. Choose this option, and then you have to click continue to report. And then once you come to this menu, click don't include, and you can see that it brings me to this interface. From this interface, you have to choose the option of profile, and then here you have to write professional mode option not showing or working. Once you write this problem, you have to hit send on the top right corner, and once you click send, Facebook is going to contact you in 24 to 48 hours and resolve your issue. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.